Hello Doctor family, we hope you are well and watching our videos. Today we will share growing tips and key information about one of the most beautiful indoor tropical plant, the red lipstick. The red lipstick plant here belongs to Aglaonema variety and frequently used as an ornamental plant for home beautification. As you can see, some of the leaves lower down are turning yellow. This is because of the sunlight exposure. Mind you, red lipstick plant thrives in indirect bright light, but it will surely die in direct sunlight exposure. This here otherwise is a mature, healthy plant. With borders of bright red encompassing the greener portion of the leaves within, the plant itself is a treat for eyes. Also known as Chinese Evergreen, it is a favorite plant for many due to its ease of care. When the red lipstick plant is thriving, it comes up with some beautiful white colored flowers. However, many believe that these flowers saps energy from the rest of the plant. These are thus removed. It is also believed that removing these flowers will eventually increase the size of the leaves as well. The red lipstick plant is not a heavy feeder. Balanced fertilizer diet of NPK in the combination with vermicompost is ideally recommended. This should be given after every 10 to 15 days. It is a perennial plant which grows very well in humid conditions. In drier conditions, misting of the leaves is advised. Here I am keeping the plant in 4 to 6 inch size container, but when the roots occupy most of the container and begins to pop over the surface, it is then high time to shift the plant in a bigger container. The pups or the baby plants should be segregated as well. As you can see, the main stem is darker in shade and harder with whorls as compared to the soft pinkish stems of baby red lipstick plant. We have also inserted a stick in the soil to support the massive mother plant and tied it with a rope as well. Otherwise, the plant may fall off due to its weight and expense. We will remove the stick and rope when we will begin propagation. Stay tuned for that video coming soon and subscribe Dr. Gardening to stay updated. It should be ensured that the soil of the pot is not compact. Also, at the time of transferring and propagation of the babies, the soil should be dried enough for easy working. Small stones and pebbles are consciously mixed in the soil medium to decrease compactness. Watering should be kept in check as well. Too much water and sunlight can actually kill the plant. Post your feedback in the comment section. Stay tuned for its propagation video coming up very soon. Subscribe by clicking the circle on your screen. It's me, Dr. Lee from the team Doctor signing off. Take care.